Some people were looking for some extra practice for their kids when we met the other night, and I said I would send you some prompts. What I'm going to do is share this with everybody. And rather than sending the prompts, I'm not going back on my word on that, but I've taken it a step further. I built an app. Sounds more impressive than it actually is. I'm not that smart. So we're going to do the quick and dirty version of this. Pay attention. We're going to do it fast. I'm going to share the link with you, and you can access it through desktop. You can access it on a Chromebook. You can also access it on an iPad or on a phone. So you're going to select the grade you want, say grade 6. You're going to select between the two subjects I teach, math and language. And then there's a thematic mode, and you can have all the math questions be about sports, for example, or dance, or baking, or mangoes, or Transformers. It is going to use AI to generate questions from the actual Ontario curriculum at this grade level. But the first 5 questions are going to come in one grade below grade level so that they get some quick wins and they get used to using the app. It does have some bugs. Clearly, AI has never watched soccer and doesn't know the scores, but let's submit answer correct. Now they are earning parts to build a robot. They're working towards the head right now. 4 more correct questions, they'll build the head. Next question. While you're working through at any time, you can skip into a different subject or a different thematic mode without losing your progress of what you've achieved so far. So say I'm like, now I want to work on language, and I just generate a new question. My progress bar should stay. Let's see if that happens. Boom, now I'm working on language. But that's not all. If you come up here and toggle to EQAO mode, it is going to do grade 6 only. It's going to change color scheme so you know exactly what you're in. The only thing you'll be able to toggle here is math and language, and it disables thematic mode because now it's only going to pull questions exactly from old EQAO tests that have been published online. So AI is searching the internet right now. It's going to find a question. It's going to generate it for you. It's a language question, so it gives you the reading passage. And it says, based on the passage, here's the question you can go ahead and answer. If you don't know how to answer, this get a hint button will use AI to come up with a step-by-step process to help you figure out what it might be. So it'll give you just one step, where to get started on this. And then you hit it again, it'll give you a second step. You hit it again, it'll give you a third step. Hopefully that's enough to help you out. When you actually choose an answer here, it will tell you where exactly the question was sourced from. In this case, the 2018 version of EQAO. I know it's still got some bugs, but we'll work on it. So if you can get your kids to test it out, that would be awesome. Leave any bugs that you discover in the comments of this video. This is the only place I'm going to check. Comment it in the video and I will fix them. And that's all for today.